to our 50th video. We just arrived at our Airbnb in Umkomaas. Umkomaas is a small coastal town on the south coast of KwaZulu-Natal, and it's less than an hour's drive from Durban. We're here this weekend because we are attending a local brewery's version of Oktoberfest. We've never been to any kind of Oktoberfest before, so we're super excited to see what it's like.
This is what 350 Rand gets you in Umkomaas. Let's check it out. A pet, first of all. Beautiful dogs.
Hey, Fifi! Hello!
Then you got one beautiful room, a couch, nice massive bed, and then your cupboard space, a kettle, water, bathroom with a shower and a toilet, even an aircon, so it is absolutely perfect. So we're off to the East Coast Brewing Company, which is only a few kilometers down the road. Let's go. We have arrived at Oktoberfest, South Coast of South Africa edition. There's already a lot of people here and it hasn't even got to 2 o'clock yet, so let's go.
We're at the Oktoberfest and we're inside of the East Coast Brewing Company. We're inside of the brewery, but there's plenty of seating outside as well. Finally we have our drinks. It took a good like 15 minutes to get the drinks, but we have it now. Yes guys, this isn't beer, it's a GNT. They have either a plain, a pink or blue. So far the pink one looks really, really nice though.
That means 1, 2, 3, 3.
Because the lines were so long, I decided to get 2 beers. I've got the amazing IPA, East Coast Brewing Company IPA, and the East Coast Brewing Company Vice beer. So, do a little taster. The IPA is amazing because it has that fruity taste and that like very strong taste, which I like. So, I'm always a fan of an IPA. And then the Vice. Yeah, the Vice is always wheaty, it's light, it's lighter than the IPA, and it's probably more refreshing on a hot day like today.
We had a yummy, like foot-long sausage roll for lunch. It was really good. It's obviously not Oktoberfest like in Germany. There's no waiters bringing out, you know, like the 10 beers at a time. We have to go queue at the bar to get our drinks. It is such a vibe. There's so many people. It is 4:30 and people are still queuing to come in here. The live music is also amazing. There's been an Oompa band. This is now the 3rd set of live music, but we're so excited for Freddie L to come on. He is amazing.
Referral was a local band in Durban. That's like the highlight of the night for us.
We had such a good time tonight. We're gonna head back to our Airbnb now and we'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning, guys. We had such a fun night last night. It was great getting out and listening to some live music again.
So when it comes to COVID, we took all the precautions we could. We had our own table. We actually had sanitizer on our table. The only uncomfortable part was waiting in the long lines because not a lot of people were wearing masks. We've just decided though we're going to try to stay away from big public events until things quieten down. Still had a good evening though.
It was a lot of fun. Your highlight was probably meeting Freddie L.
Yeah, the band came to chat with us, which was awesome.
We all packed up and ready to go. I think we're going to explore a little bit more of Umkomaas, even though it's not that big. One of the main attractions here though is shark cage diving. We're not doing that today, but yeah, just so that you guys know if you ever come to Umkomaas.
Let's go.
So let's go to the beach.
We are at one of Umkomaas' beaches, so we just took a little walk. It was nice, but now I'm hungry and I need to find some breakfast.
Let's go!
Let's go. So we found a little shop in Umkomaas on the beach, get some coffee. Pretty excited.
Yay!
Alright, how's it guys? My name's Skig. This is my spot. It's called the Surf Shack down in Umkomaas on the south coast. We do surf lessons, we've got a little surf school going, spearfishing lessons, and do some drinks and surf gear. If you guys are ever in the area, please pull in and come have a look. Sure.
We can see the boats launching out to go shark cage diving. So it's so cool. Next door there's a restaurant. We're going to try and get some breakfast there. Chocolate milkshake! Breakfast with a view. We drove down the beach road from the restaurant and we drove all the way down to the river, and wow, we are actually shocked at how beautiful it is. Across the river you can see like these sandy shores and trees, and it just reminds me of some exotic island. If you're from KZN and you have done a lot more exploring than us, and this is like old news to you, sorry, but we have not explored enough of our province. walking across the river, it's actually very shallow, and we saw a sandbank in the middle of the river. Do you think we're gonna walk there or not? Or are we gonna turn back?
We're gonna turn back.
Okay. Guys, this is so cool. Exploring our own province. Having so much fun.
We just crossed the Umkomaas River. We've found another parking lot on the other side of the river just to have a look. And just to give you some background, this is one of the main attractions of Umkomaas, is actually to take a boat and you get a charter trip out to Aliwal Shoal where you can snorkel, dive, even do some cage shark diving. It's definitely a must do if you're in the area. And if we get to 1,000 subscribers, Chantal said she is going to go dive with the sharks. I can't wait to see that. So please can you subscribe and like and share this video.
We had such a fun time exploring Umkomaas. We had a fun time at the beer festival, at our Airbnb, and this morning we just explored a little bit along the beach side of Umkomaas. It is so stunning here, and we hope you enjoyed exploring this beautiful place with us. So please remember to subscribe to our channel if you like our content. We would really like to reach 1,000 subscribers soon, and we really need your help to reach that. And please like and share. And also, if we missed anything in Umkomaas, or if you have any other recommendations of what to do here, put it in the comments below. We would love to see if we missed anything and then come back and explore a little bit more. And also let us know what you would like to see next on our channel. See you guys next time. Bye! Did I say South Coast? We at the Oktoberfest in what's this place called? East Coast Brewing Company.
Footlong Frankfurter. They have pizzas, footlongs and chips.
Oi, oi, oi!
Ticket,